Did you know? Velociraptors were feathered creatures, making them more like birds than the scaly reptiles we often imagine. There's a plant that grows so fast you can almost watch it move. Bamboo can shoot up to 90 centimeters in just 24 hours, making it the fastest growing plant on Earth. One of the most common phone technologies is named after a Viking king. Why would engineers do that? It's because Herald Bluetooth united Denmark and Norway, just like Bluetooth unites our devices. Scientists estimate there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. It's almost impossible to comprehend the scale of our cosmos. Flamingos are born gray. They only turn pink after eating shrimp and algae that are rich in a pigment called carotenoid. Trees actually talk to each other? Not with words, but with fungi networks that link their roots. This hidden system is called the Wood Wide Web. Dolphins call each other by name. They create unique whistles that act like names, allowing them to identify and call specific friends in their pods. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. While we often associate deserts with hot, sandy environments, a desert is technically defined by its low precipitation levels, making Antarctica the largest desert on Earth. There's an animal that almost never forgets. Elephants have extraordinary memories. They can recognize other elephants and even humans after many years, and they remember watering holes across vast distances.
This tiny creature is called a tardigrade or water bear. It can survive boiling water, minus 200 degrees, and even the vacuum of space. It's one of the toughest animals on Earth.
Dinosaurs weren't just massive, heavy beasts. Some of them had hollow bones, almost like today's birds. This adaptation made them lighter, faster, and far more agile than you might imagine. Water can boil and freeze at the exact same moment. Under normal conditions, that can't happen. But at a unique temperature and pressure, known as the triple point, water exists as ice, liquid, and vapor all at once. The jellyfish Turritopsis doherni can revert its adult cells to a youthful state, potentially repeating its life cycle again and again, essentially making it biologically immortal. Thomas Edison wasn't the first to invent the light bulb. More than 20 inventors tried before he created a long-lasting design that actually worked. The northern lights, or auroras, happen when solar winds collide with Earth's atmosphere, creating glowing lights in the sky. Bananas are technically classified as berries, while strawberries are not. It's a surprising fact of botany that flips what most people believe about fruits. The very first mobile phone call happened in 1973. The phone weighed almost 2 kilograms and only lasted 30 minutes. Bees can actually recognize human faces. These tiny creatures, with brains no bigger than a sesame seed, use patterns to remember and identify people. It's almost like how we recognize friends in a crowd. Amazing, right? Monarch butterflies migrate up to 3,000 miles each year from North America to central Mexico. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to exist. Its heart is about the size of a small car, weighing over 400 pounds, and can be heard beating miles away underwater. Dinosaurs weren't always massive beasts. In fact, one of them was about the size of a chicken. Meet Compsognathus, light, fast, and no taller than your average backyard hen. It proves dinosaurs weren't just giants, but came in all sizes. Foxes are natural problem solvers. Scientists have observed them using creative tricks to find food, outsmart rivals, and even play games. Their intelligence makes them one of the most fascinating animals in the wild. Some plants can sense the sound of running water underground. Researchers discovered that roots respond to vibrations, adjusting their growth path to move closer to the source, even without physical contact. This means plants have a hidden ability to listen to their environment. Pretty incredible, right? The ocean hides a living link to Earth's ancient past. Long before dinosaurs, even before trees, these animals were already here. They're sea sponges, over 500 million years old. You blink so often that you're practically living in micronaps? On average, humans blink 15 to 20 times per minute. That's about 1,200 blinks every hour, and nearly 20,000 every day. And here's the wild part. All those blinks add up to hours of your life spent with your eyes closed, without you even realizing.